I'm looking for a life partner. Do you think Shadi.com can help me find one?
Oh, that's actually lovely. So definitely we'll find the one. So download the Shadi.com app and you will get personalized service from us. And there are a lot of subscriptions that you can take in. And our relationship managers will reach out to you to help you find the right match.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Supriya and I am here at Mumbai Tech Week with 50 plus speakers, hands-on masterclasses, AI excellence and job fairs only at one place, Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai.
Currently, we have two products. One is Nova, which is an AI layer on top of ERP. So, Nova connects to any ERP solution that exists out there. It sits on top of your ERP and it pulls in data from there, and then it makes it conversational. You can talk to your ERP, you can ask it questions, what's going on with your business, what's the forecast, etc. It also is agentic. If you want to do any operations on your ERP, it can be done via conversations. So that is Nova. And then we have Orbit, which is a managed agentic AI service. We take business goals and KPIs from them and build specific niche agents for them, for example, customer service or sales. And we do all the integrations for them. Then we monitor those agents. How are they performing? Are they achieving the KPIs or not? And we chase the KPIs for the client. We are partnered with the Mumbai Tech Week. We have built their official website. Like, we have a lot of clients, like mentioned here. It's P&G, Starbucks, Paytm, Sony Music, T-Systems, Johnson & Johnson. And we also work with a lot of MSMEs, startups and NGOs where we provide consulting and AI implementation solutions.
So Cockroach Labs is the behind Cockroach database. We are an 11-year-old SQL database company, a modern distributed SQL database that powers mission-critical applications by ensuring strong scalability, resiliency, ensuring your app is never down. Even though if there's any failure, like a node goes down, a region goes down, or your entire cloud goes down, your application still be up and running, serving your customers with consistent copy of data.
When I was in 6th, I started developing with my fellow friend a drone, which we called it Project Sparrow. And then moving forward in the next year, we built a project Wall-E, and we actually, from the Pixar movie, where we actually tried to make it in real life. Then when it came to the career path choice, I was very confused what to pick. So at that point, I chose AI and ML, but in my second year, I realized I still have that spark for robotics. So I was actually doing both AI and ML and robotics at the same time. So through that, Atlas gave me an opportunity where I was actually I was able to work on the project called Project Mushak, where through that I was able to go to the NASA's Human Exploration Rover Challenge, and there I got to rediscover my passion for robotics.
It basically integrates AI with all the tools, web search and everything. So it becomes like a mini employee that can do your work, or an assistant to your employees. And it is as simple as chatting. So you can give it to your HR, sales, marketing, anyone, and they will all become more productive. We said, what if you could just go to, let's say, ChatGPT and give it a task and it can do it for you? That's the whole idea. We give you a chat, it has all the apps that you need, and you just need to give instructions and it will do the work for you. Really easy, so any department can use it. And you can also automate stuff. So you can say, whenever I receive a new email which has invoice, then automatically extract the information and create in my accounting software. It will do it for you. So we use a bit of LangChain, but we might eliminate that soon. So there's no need. So we are optimizing a lot to how to do this efficiently and in less cost and less tokens. We have our own integration, so we don't need a tool like n8n.
Pashumani, we are building a domain-specific chat bot. It's like आप normally chat GPT पे जाते हैं या किसी भी मॉडल पे जाते हैं तो it gives you majorly a generic response जो सभी animals के लिए वो एक जैसा ही specific होता है. बट इसके अंदर व्हाट वी आर बिल्डिंग इज वी आर बिल्डिंग इट अ पर्सनलाइज मॉडल. आपने एक पेट खरीदा है तो पेट खरीदने के बाद हमको एक क्यूरोसिटी होती है यार इसके बारे में जानना है. चैट जीपीटी पे गए, चैट जीपीटी ने एक वो रिस्पॉन्स दिया जो सभी डॉग्स के लिए अप्लाई हो रहा है, या उसने एक जेनरिक बहुत सारे रिस्पॉन्सेज जनरेट कर दिए कि आपको ये रिस्पॉन्स पसंद है तो आप ये रख लो, ये पसंद है तो इट्स ऑन टू यू. बट यहाँ पे ये आपके और डेप्थ में जाता है, आपसे पूछता है, आपको एक डॉक्टर की तरह क्वेश्चंस करने शुरू करता है. एंड मोमेंट इट अंडरस्टैंड्स कि कोई प्रॉब्लम है एंड सिवियरिटी ज़्यादा है, डॉक्टर की यहाँ पे ज़रूरत है, तो इमिडिएटली एक रेनाउंड वेट के पास लेके जाता है जो कि लाइसेंस्ड है विद एवरीथिंग. उससे पहले वो क्या कर देगा, उससे पहले जो भी आपने चैट किया है, जो भी आपने अपने डॉग के बारे में, पेट के बारे में या एनिमल के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, वो सीधी डॉक्टर के पास ऑलरेडी पहुंच जाएगी. सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो रेनाउंड वेटनेरियंस हैं उन्होंने पूरा मॉडल रेडी किया है. मॉडल को हमने फाइन ट्यून किया है विद दी ऑल दी रिक्वायर्ड डेटा सेट्स, सो दैट एनिमल के बारे में उसको पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन है. तो आप उससे कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं अपनी भाषा के अंदर.
Yeah, I've created Auravia AI in order to make jewelry designing faster and better and also cost efficient. It takes around 7 to 14 days to create a jewelry design, and now it is getting created in less than 20 minutes. So it's 200 times faster. We give everything including research, mood board, 2D renders, 2D graphics, sketches, then model shots, virtual try-on, CAD files, 3D render, and your AR feature. That basically covers the entire Auravia. This is the place where you start from research. You input your prompt here. It gives you a full-on research. All you have to do is click on this button. Then this is your mood board. You can select images here, and you can click on generate sketches. Then you can go to your sketches. You can select your sketches, whichever one you like. Then you can then you get a 2D graphic out of that, which gives you a 4 view. Then a 2D render to show you how to look IRL. So this is your 3D printable file, which basically lets you edit it however you like as well. Printable. This is 3D printed plastics. Using that, molds are created in which they pour gold inside, and this is how it's made.
This is our product. This looks exactly like any other business card, but what exactly happens is, let's say I'll just tap it on my phone and automatically you can see that my LinkedIn profile has been opened. So you can see over here, I can see the dashboard. So now I can share my Instagram ID, I can share my portfolio, anything just with a tap. I don't need to share it and type, save it. It will get updated on its own. That's it. This is our product. Thank you so much. We are Auric Labs.
I would like to try this up.
Sure. You can try our product. Thank you so much.
The internet changed the game to completely doing online self-service. Wish, click, go in the desktop world used to be our byline. And then when the app world came in, it was all native experience on the mobile phone. Right? What do you think we are going back to with AI? It's life full circle, guys. We are going to conversation again. The only difference is the human agent is getting replaced by digital agents. That's what is happening. But it's amazing at some level to see that it is actually completely full circle. Life is moving in terms of just serving the consumer online.
Hi Myra, I am traveling to Rishikesh with my family. We are 3 people. So मुझे कुछ ऐसे hotels दिखाओ जहाँ से मेरे को अच्छे views मिले. And we are traveling with our dog. So show me some pet-friendly hotels.
Finding pet-friendly stays in Rishikesh for you. Rishikesh is perfect for your family and dog with beautiful views and pet-friendly hotels. Consider Hotel Ishan for panoramic Ganges views, Divine Resorts for a lovely riverside setting, and River Valley Resort for impressive valley scenery. Each offers unique experiences for you to enjoy with your furry friend.
क्या रिवर वैली रिसोर्ट में फैमिली के लिए बॉनफायर हो जाएगा?
जी हाँ, रिवर वैली रिसोर्ट ऋषिकेश में परिवार के लिए बॉनफायर की व्यवस्था की जा सकती है।
रिवर वैली रिसोर्ट में पार्किंग अवेलेबल है? वी आर ड्राइविंग देयर सो नीड अ होटल विद पार्किंग।
River Valley Resort in Rishikesh has parking available.
तो इसे बुक करते हैं।
कृपया इस चैट में अपनी चेक इन और चेकआउट की तारीखें टाइप करें।
30th चेक इन, 31st में चेकआउट।
And if you would have noticed that depending on how the user is changing the voice or the language or the tone, the Myra was adapting the similar language and the similar tone as well. We have built some sort of a canvas experience where the canvas presents you the options and the conversations happen at the same time, and you have a much larger canvas to handle a lot more complex queries where the user can also reason, converse, and also see the options at the same time. It's a beautiful city, Dharamshala, where the user is looking for something which is closer to the airport, so can see how the resorts are located near the airport as well.
Let's welcome on stage then Amit Kumar, Managing Director of Digital Natives at Google Cloud India, who's going to walk us through how the Gemini Enterprise Agent platform is really solving real problems that enterprises face today. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, a warm welcome for Mr. Amit Kumar.
It comprises a platform to write agents, to run them, to optimize them, to efficiently run them, and also manage them in a production grade system where they are self-healing, where the system does not go down and is able to deliver reliable outcomes. The world today has two different approaches to AI. There is people who are doing only AI, and then there are companies that are doing hyperscaler type solutions, providing the infrastructure for AI. I think Google Cloud is the only company that takes both approaches together. This is our view of how Google Cloud is unique and how an agentic system needs to be built. There are first-party Google solutions here, like Gemini, like Veo, like Imagen, which are Google's first-party models, but we also support third-party and open-source models.
We also are now talking to a live avatar, which has complete lip sync and the ability to switch languages, etc. So we have created these 4 scenarios. I'll start with a scenario where I'm speaking to Alex and giving Alex some feedback about a presentation that Alex made.
Hey, thanks for taking the time to chat. What did you think of the presentation?
मुझे तो अच्छी नहीं लगी बिल्कुल, और मुझे लगा आप बहुत स्लो थे, एंड में Q&A के लिए टाइम ही नहीं रखा आपने.
Oh, really? I actually thought I was rushing to get through everything, and I thought the slides had all the important information. You don't think that was helpful?
हिंदी में थोड़ी बात करके बताओ मेरे को क्या लगा, आपको क्या लगा इसके बारे में?
मुझे लगा मैंने सब जरूरी बातें बताई. अब जल्दी के चक्कर में शायद मैं थोड़ा तेज चला गया, पर जानकारी तो पूरी थी. तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लगा की जानकारी कम थी?
जरा मराठीत बोला. हेच तुम्ही मराठीत बोला जरा.
मला वाटतं मी सगळी महत्त्वाची माहिती सांगितली. घाईघाईत कदाचित मी खूप भरभर बोललो असेल, पण माहिती तर पूर्ण होती, नाही का? तुला असं का वाटलं की माहिती कमी होती?
जाऊ दे आता. बघितलं. थँक यू.
When I heard of this event, I was pretty excited. I got to see OpenAI and Anthropic giving their presentations. I got to meet Varun Maya and Caleb Francis, got a photo with them. I networked with a lot of people out there, had a lot of deep and genuine conversations. And I see people are hungry over here. People are showcasing what they have done over here. Some big firms have come up and showing us what the world is right now in AI. So definitely it's been a good experience. I hope such events continue and I get to network with so many people around. Thank you.